Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see history in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, let me tell you that Capcut doesn't have a specific history tab like some other apps, depending on the platform you are using, especially if you're using a mobile device, be it an Android or an iOS for iPhones. But what we can do is show you that you can view and access your past projects through the following methods. Alright, so once you open the Capcut app, I want you to click on the option here on the screen. You would notice that you can go to the Me section on the bottom part corner. I want you to click on it. Now, you would notice you have an option here that says View History. I want you to click on it. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this section, all right? And from here, these are going to be some of the options for you to view history in Capcut, all right? Now, that means these are the videos that you have imported from the Capcut's library to your project, all right? And if you want to delete all of them so that you can clear up some space or free up some data, just click the check button on the top right corner and click the select all, click delete permanently. All right, as you can see, when you delete the selected history, watch history cannot be restored once deleted. All right, if you're okay with that, just click on the delete option. So that's one. And then I want you to go back to the home page. Now in this scenario, just go to the library section. You would notice that you have the local, wherein you have the spaces, local media that you have access throughout. All one. And this is going to be one of the edited templates that I have working with. You see, these are going to be some of the things that you have tried to play with during the your time here or your activity here in Capcut. As you can see, it has how to post your template. But in the homepage, I have a different projects that I am working. So you see that the timeline of my history. All right. And from there, that's going to be one of the easiest way for you to see history in Capcut. Now, let me tell you that if you are specifically looking for a more detailed history feature like undoing changes or reviewing the steps taken in editing, Capcut doesn't offer a detailed time log or activity log at the moment. The best way is to keep track of your edits by manually saving versions or exporting graph. In my case, I'm going to export this, so I have like a copy of this project in case I needed it. So it's going to be one of my options to get the history of my timeline for my activities here in Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.